Hey everybody, it's QVT time. Quick video tips. If you're used to sewing with pins and you want to get in the habit of not sewing with pins, here's a good trick for you. Make sure you have a long area to stitch, the side of a blouse, a pant leg, or even a sleeve. Just to practice, you can even use 2 pieces of scrap fabric. What you do is put your fabric inside the machine. And I like to scratch sometimes that bottom layer just to make sure that my edges are nice and even. Grip your fabric with your fingers on top, your 4 fingers on top, and your thumb underneath, like so. And let it go. Hold it just a little taut. I didn't mean to have those pins in there, but adjust as you go. Don't pull it too hard. Let your feed dogs do the work. All done. Saves time, energy, and holes in your fabric. Give it a whirl. Hope this helps.